students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. So today we are going to do one more experiment on heat, and that is conduction. Okay, how conduction takes place. Okay, in which materials the conduction takes place. So first of all, let me tell you what is conduction. See the definition. Conduction means the movement of heat take place in a substance without actually moving the molecules of that substance. Okay, and it happens only in solid, because solid the molecules are tightly packed, they cannot move. When heat is supplied to it, what happens? They vibrate. Okay, and one molecule taking the heat and just transferring the heat energy to other molecule, then that molecule transferring the heat energy to other molecule. So like that, actually the movement of molecules doesn't take place, but the movement of heat energy takes place. So this is the way conduction happens. Conduction happens only in solids. Okay, and the best conductors of heat are metals like iron, silver, gold, aluminium. There are many n number of examples. Okay, only one liquid is there that conducts heat. Okay, and that liquid is also a metal, and that is mercury that we use in the thermometer. Okay, that you have seen in the last experiment. So today we are going to do an activity to show you how conduction takes place. So first of all, let's see what are the materials required. See here. So these are the very simple and easily available materials at home, so you can do it at your home also. So let's go into the activity. Now you can see this is the flame, and I will put this one upside down on the flame one by one. Okay, so I will just touch the flame, okay, and see what happens. See, one gone down. Okay, now the next one. The wax is melting, and you can see the third is down. That's it. Hi, welcome back. How have you enjoyed the activity? So you can do this activity at your home and have fun with doing these activities, because it is very easy to do it. Okay, but don't play with fire. And there is a caution for you: please do these activities in front of elders, parents, guardian, whomsoever is present, whomsoever is senior present at your home. So please do this activity in front of them. Okay, don't do it yourself, because it needs fire and all. Okay, so it will be it can harm you. So please maintain the precautions, nothing else. Okay, and enjoy the activity, and definitely you are going to enjoy it. Okay, so hope for the best. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye bye.